Like me to review, please put down that. If there's another Outre wig, why can't I speak? If there's another Outre. I'm Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do wig reviews, I do wig related content, a little bit of makeup. I did film this look, and a little bit of just life commentary because sometimes we need it. All right, today I'm doing a wig review, and we have Outre's EMMY. And this is a lace front wig. She is heat safe up to 400 degrees. EMMY is a Swiss lace L parting. Okay, you can see that right here. I have her in the color DX3276. She comes in a few colors. I wouldn't say a ton of colors. I scooped EMMY up from Glamour Trust for just $12. So let's get her. Wait, this is her. Okay, this is that color. You got the 27, number 6. Yeah, number 6 down there. Okay, a little bit of what I would say is a 613-esque. She is, I believe, a right-sided part. Whoa, she actually has 3 combs in the front. Ooh, comb in the back, adjustable straps. I kind of like that. Now let's look at her parting. Parting isn't horrible, but I definitely know I'm going to want to open it up just for my preference. You know, opening up the parting or whatever, like that is personal preference. So that's just, sometimes I smell these to make sure they don't smell sweaty. Like if you wear wigs, you know what I'm talking about. So it is personal preference in terms of like how much you want the part opened. I put my wigs on back to front. Sure. Okay, right now, comment right now if you have been watching me. What am I thinking based on my face and my reaction? Okay, that's all the time you get. I mean, this is a very full density in that there's a lot of hair, but it's not a yaki. There's a little bit of texture to it. I just wouldn't describe it necessarily as yaki. I would describe it maybe more as like natural hair texture, you know, but there's a definite silkiness to it. Wig cap is comfortable. I wouldn't necessarily say that it is a large wig cap, but I would say that it is roomy and it will stretch. Definitely right-sided part. That's where she wants to sit, right there. You could scooch her just a tiny bit. Let me see what I think. There. Or there. Oh my gosh. She's probably, what did I step on? 20-esque inches long at the very longest. Yeah, look at that. So pretty. All right, let me get this chick together. actually feel like my makeup's a little bit too dark for this wig. I don't know that it's actually bringing out what I would like to bring out in it, but the wig itself, it's so pretty. The couple things that I did have to do, I did pluck out the part just a little bit, but if you saw, since it has like this 613 in here and it's like syrupy right here, sometimes I put like little filler fibers in, which, you know, is fine. But what I like to do is actually train these hairs so they will make sure that the wefts don't show. So I was pulling them and melding them down. And then the other thing is, like, when you have a 613 sprinkled in, like these little ones, when they're sticking up out of the part or out of the wig, to me it looks like gray hair. Although it would make it a little bit more realistic. If I'm wearing a wig, I don't want grays. I don't really have a ton of gray anyway. But the other thing is, when I was looking at the back, I could see some of that filler fiber stuff. So I did sort of retrain where this hair naturally went and made it a different pattern a little bit. Not a different, but just made it the pattern that I wanted. Let's look at her from the back. Oh my gosh, look at that lusciousness and that color. I'm dying. It's a weighty wig. I wouldn't say it's a heavy wig, but there's a lot of hair in this girl. There's a lot of hair. I'd say once I brushed her out, she's going right just below it. It's like maybe 22-ish, or I'm sorry, 20-ish, 21 maybe. She's not super long, but it would depend on your height. I'm 5'6.5". She's gonna tangle just because of the curl pattern, but I do find that it's real easy to just get her untangled. Use a round brush to retrain that curl pattern. Yeah, there we go. See? But yeah, I like this kind of coloring. I know some people don't. I guess I'm maybe just like totally, you know, 90s, early 2000s. I really like this. I think this is really, really pretty. And if you're looking for something, I mean, what did I pay? $12 or whatever? If you're looking for something super, like, you know, sexy, fun, you're going on a little date or whatever, I think this is like the perfect wig for that. And so cheap, so cheap. So what do you think? Do you have this wig and do you like it? Do you have another color that you suggest? If there's another Outre wig that you would like me to review, please put that down below. I don't even have lipstick on. Hold on. Seriously, why didn't you guys tell me that I was not wearing lipstick? I love for the most part, I only ever wear like nude lipstick, but whatever. Okay, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thanks so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye.